side salads starting at just $14.99. Plus, getting 2 full meals means you won't be lonely. Only at Logan's Roadhouse.
Come on, somebody wants to close out that archives. Once it's full, I'll give you guys a discount on Bowman football. Number 3. Through another box. Here we go. Select number 5.
These days he's up to 93, 94, sometimes even 95. Chamberlain will have to go through 2, 3, and 4 days.
Still one of my favorite products from 13. Sharp product that year. Oh, bumping your card, Frank. Nice. Archives down to 2. Good luck, everyone. First pack, first hit, Preston Claiborne. The rookie auto. Numbered 483 of 500. I believe that is the Yankees. Josh, F-U-L. Rondon, rookie. Couple base. See a gold. Kyle Gibson, the rookie gold. 13 of 25. Going to the Twins. Stephanie EDG. Always like seeing that color. Nice card. Kemp. Refractor. Almonte, rookie auto. The one for the Yankees, 257 of 500. Going to Josh, F-U-L. Puig, Thunder Alley. In select, not yet, Frank. Not for you anyways. Harper and Fuego. Base. Darvish, Skills, a refractor, and a Chew refractor. That's a base pack. Nick Morandi, rookie auto. 52 of 750. Going to the Angels. Amber, S-H-A. Another Darvish, Skills. Couple base. We need a 101. Ashy, rookie. Need to put a super fractor up in the back there. Something. Got a 101 this week, but it was a printing plate. Utley, refractor. finite prism, I guess they call them in Select and Panini products. Sandberg, refractor. Base. Still got one more hit we are looking for. Got it. John J. Signatures. Going to the Cardinals. Paul, AUS. Been raking in them Cardinals autos lately. That is not numbered. Hernandez in Fuego. Now we got one this week out of Finest. Jared Weaver, Statisticians. Posey and Fuego Refractor. And Molina Refractor. More base. All base. White will stay right there. We'll get to look at it the rest of the week. Adam Dunn, Skills, and a couple base. That'll do it for Select, number 5. That was an Elvis Andrews printing plate out of Finest. Hold on a second, guys. Cespedes almost got him. We print out the list for 101. We got archives coming up next. I'm gonna get that discount up there on Bowman for you guys. Bowman number 3. There we go. Bowman number 3. Last remaining teams are 15% off, as promised. Ten teams left in Bowman number 3. We got Cardinals, Bills, Panthers, Bears, Broncos, Colts, Chiefs, Eagles, Chargers, and 49ers. We'll start a fresh video. We got Archives 101 coming up next.